Any other teacher who joined for the first time today?
Ritika ma'am, it's me, Pradeep. This is the
Hi,
first time.
sir. Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am. So I've
So,
joined for the first time. Last meeting, I missed it.
okay, that was only the introductory part we have discussed.
So I'm from Hyderabad, ma'am, Pragati Nagar, running Trotco. This is the first year.
Okay,
I took the franchisee,
okay,
and I have overall 3 years of teaching experience.
Pragati Nagar. Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you for joining.
Thank you, ma'am.
And I welcome you all. So, let's begin with the training part. This is our checklist. I request everyone to go through with this once. Notepad and pen that you need to carry with yourself. Be interactive. Mobile phones on silent. Give your eyes and ears to me for few hours. Okay, so let's begin with our training. How many of you are familiar with NEP? What is the full form of NEP? Can anyone tell me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
National Education Program.
National Education
Education Program.
Program. You can also say National Education Policy.
Okay.
Program policy, you can go for anything, right? So
Okay.
here is our an overview of the training. Module 1, Understanding NEP 2020 and NCF for foundational stage. And next is Understanding Early Childhood Development, all the stages and the milestones. Play-based learning and activity-based learning, types of play. We have many types of play, right? For example, guided play, structured play, free play. Okay. And next we have foundational literacy and numeracy. Last, classroom management and assessment in ECE. Okay. So these are the modules which we are going to cover in our whole training program. So here is our module 1, learning goals, what we are going to learn in this. I request every teacher to switch on your cameras. Please turn on your cameras. Then only we are going to conduct this training, because otherwise, if your cameras are off, interactive session, we are not going to conduct any of the interactive session. I can see many new faces today. Module 1, learning goals. Identifying the new reforms as per NEP. Analyzing and restructuring of learning stages. Radha ma'am, you can take a screenshot. Instead of writing each and everything, you can take a screenshot, because if we are discussing and you keep on writing, no, you are unable to learn anything. Okay? Recognizing the key feature of foundational stage. Discovering the new approaches to curricular and pedagogy aspect. Okay, so now what is new NEP 2020? क्या है, if we talk about NEP, National Education Policy 2020, document presented by Government of India to strengthen early childhood education. Main It's support for foundational stage, And for the school education, higher education, and a professional education. Fine. If we talk about every stages, first we talk about the early age, which is our play schools. After that, school education, that too primary. Higher education, then professional education. If someone wants to be a teacher, what all courses that has to be done by the teacher, it comes in professional education. Okay. Aim of NEP for early age. What is the aim? It's path-breaking guidelines, which is aiming at the world-class education for everyone. That, yes, we need to deliver world-class education to each and every child. Fine. Discovering NEP 2020. A society with individuals who are healthy, knowledgeable, and with capacities and value and depositions to participate effectively and meaningfully in a democracy. Economy and culture would be a vibrant, pluralistic, and democratic knowledge society. NEP actually depends on how you are going to teach the students, all the strategies, all the knowledge, all the development, and not only for the students, plus also if we talk about the professional level, all the professional education has to be given to everyone by the professionals only. Okay. So what is NEP 2020? What's new? Education for all, holistic development for every child. Can anyone tell me what is holistic development? This we have discussed in last class also. Yes, teachers?
To give everything, ma'am, to care everything, to each
To
and
care
everything.
everything.
No.
That's okay, but this is not the correct answer, ma'am. What is the if we talk about holistic development of a child, if we talk about this?
Hello. Overall
Yes.
growth.
Overall growth. What it
By
covers, ma'am?
child's overall
Child's
growth we should
overall
see.
growth. What
Yes.
comes in that?
We should encourage them.
Like, ma'am, I just want to know what all development includes in holistic development.
We should moral activities, moral things like that.
Values.
Okay.
No, no,
Physical.
ma'am. Actually, child language development and brain development and growth in teaching and caring and how they are reacting and how they are mingle with other students. Everything, so each and everything is included in that holistic development.
Ma'am, see, holistic development means overall development of a child.
Motor skills,
Yes, all the motor skills, fine motor skills, gross
gross
motor
motor skills.
skills, brain development, everything. In holistic development, everything counts. Okay? It's not about engaging them. It's not about, engaging them or give them a task or any of the activity. Yes, with the activity you can do the holistic development. Okay. How many of you are familiar with the gross motor and the fine motor development? What is fine motor development? Any teacher?
Ma'am, hands and fingers movement, that is fine motor, and the gross motor full body movements.
Yes.
The activity.
If we want to develop fine motors in any of the child, mainly अगर हमें बच्चे का fine motor skills development करनी है, हम लोग बच्चे को बहुत सी एक्टिविटीज करा सकते हैं, जैसे कि हम बच्चे को फ्री स्क्रिबल करना दे सकते हैं. मेनली फाइन मोटर डेवलपमेंट जो हो हम लोग करवाते हैं बच्चों के, वो दिस palm and the fingers, use of hand. Fine motor skills includes use of hand, actually. All the palm, fingers, like if child is picking something and dropping something, it includes fine motors. Okay? And what about the gross motor?
Walking, running, like that. Movements.
Yes, which is the
Movements of child.
physically if child is doing something, right? If running, absolutely right, ma'am. Running, walking, jumping, everything comes in gross motor. Okay? So, holistic development includes everything. It includes the brain development, fine motor development, gross motor development, language development, everything. Okay? So let's proceed further. 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4, new structure. What is this? This is the new structure. New school structure based on the stages of the child development. 5 years of foundational stage, 3 years of preparatory stage, 3 years of middle stage, and 4 years of secondary stage. Okay? But according to this, play school till now have not authority of class 1 and 2. Still, our government is working on it. But till now, in our primary, if we talk about the pre-primary play schools, till UKG, they can take all the classes. Okay? But according to NAP, 5 years of foundational stage is counted. Okay? Next, early childhood care and education. Focus on learning from age 3 through play, activity, and discovery. In this stage, in early childhood care and education, we mainly focus on learning. We mainly focus on learning by play. Like we do learning play. Okay, learning by doing activities and discovering. Because in this stage, जो इस age का बच्चा होता है, they are very much curious to know everything. Okay? तो मेनली उनमें क्या होता है कि उन बच्चों को सब कुछ जानना होता है. वो आपसे बहुत क्वेश्चन भी करते होंगे, मैम ये क्या है, ये कैसे करते हैं. इफ यू टेक अ नेचर वॉक, अगर आप उनको किसी नेचर वॉक में लेके जाएंगे, अभी वेदर बहुत अच्छा है, अगर आप उनको बाहर कहीं लेके जाएंगे तो दे कीप ऑन आस्किंग यू मेनी क्वेश्चंस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वो किसी भी प्लांट के पास खड़े हो सकते हैं. दे आस्क यू द नेम ऑफ दैट प्लांट. दे कैन आस्क यू एनीथिंग. मैम ये कैसे ग्रो करता है, ये फ्लावर कैसे ग्रो करता है, ये कितना टाइम लगता है, दे कैन आस्क यू एनीथिंग बिकॉज दे आर वेरी मच क्यूरियस टू नो थिंग्स. Okay, and we we have to give them answers very patiently. Okay, टीचर्स, आप सभी को समझ में आ रहा है? कोई डाउट है? Any doubt? No? Okay, I request you everyone again, please turn on your videos. I just want to see my all the beautiful teachers. Okay, thank you, Aarti ma'am. Let's proceed further. Fundamental literacy and numeracy. For example, every child will achieve basic reading, writing, and numeracy skills. In our foundational stage, what we prefer, we mostly prefer to deliver our best. हम लोग उनको रीड करना सिखाते हैं, हम लोग उनको स्टैंडिंग लाइन, स्लीपिंग लाइन से उनको लिखना सिखाते हैं. And also same to same comes in numeracy skills. Okay, so according to NAP, we have to work on it, like reading, writing, and numeracy skills. Fine. Less wrote, more understanding. अब ये कैसे हो सकता है? बच्चों को कम लिखवाना है और आपको अपनी सारी चीजें भी समझानी है. You need to explain all the concept. How? By activities, by playway methods, by introducing them with the nature. For example, अगर आपको किसी नेचर के बारे में अगर आपको कुछ भी समझाना है उन्हें, if we talk about any of the plant, any of the flower, अगर आप उनको for example अगर आप उनको दिखा रहे हो या बुक में दिखा रहे हो और आप बाहर ले जाकर उन्हें दिखाओगे तो उन्हें वो ज्यादा समझ में आएगा. उसमें क्या होगा, आप लोग एक्टिविटी इंक्लूड कर रहे हो. नेचर वॉक, नेचर वॉक में जाएंगे, बच्चे उस प्लांट के बारे में जानेंगे, उस फ्लावर के बारे में जानेंगे, एंड दे गेट टू नो दैट वेरी इजीली. और वो एक रिमार्केबल भी रहेगा. बच्चा उसे हमेशा याद रखेगा, ओ मैम वो वाला फ्लावर जो आपने हमें बाहर जाके दिखाया था, वो आपको ऐसे रिकॉल कराएंगे. नेक्स्ट इज होलिस्टिक डेवलपमेंट. फोकस ऑन फिजिकल, mental, emotional, social, and ethical development. If we talk about the holistic development, it includes everything. In this, we focus on the physical health of a child. कैसे? बच्चों को योगा करवा के, बच्चों को बेसिक एक्सरसाइज करा के. अगर हम लोग बोले कि नहीं नहीं आपको बस रोज आना है और इतने से इतने बजे तक सिर्फ पढ़ाई करनी है और जाना है, तो वो बच्चे आना पसंद नहीं करेंगे, क्योंकि वो बच्चे, हमारे पास तो बच्चे बहुत छोटे हैं ना. सो वी हैव टू इंक्लूड many new things like basic exercise on the daily basis, yoga once in a week or twice in a week, and outdoor play, indoor play. Everything has to be included in our curriculum. Next is mental health of a child. You know what? In this age, सबसे ज्यादा बच्चों को ये होता है, क्योंकि अभी तक बच्चे जो हमारे पास आते हैं 3 years, 2.5 years, वो बच्चे अभी तक सिर्फ और सिर्फ अपने पेरेंट्स के पास रहते हैं. तो पेरेंट्स, फैमिली क्या है, उनका एक सेफ जोन है. उनको पता है कि वी आर सेफ हियर. बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू स्कूल, व्हेन इट कम्स टू क्लासेस, जब हम लोग स्कूल में इंट्रोड्यूस करते हैं ऑल न्यू फेसेस, ऑल न्यू एनवायरनमेंट, तो हमें क्या करना है, उन बच्चों को एडजस्ट करना पड़ता है। आप उन बच्चे की मेंटल स्टेज सोचो, इमोशनल स्टेज सोचो, वो अपने पेरेंट्स से अलग हो रहा होता है, तो वी हैव टू वर्क ऑन इट। ओके, नेक्स्ट इज सोशल एंड एथिकल डेवलपमेंट। अब yes, we work on ethics also. We celebrate all the festivals, whether it's Eid, whether it's Christmas, whether it's Diwali, Raksha Bandhan, we celebrate everything. And yes, socially development, जब हम बच्चों को दूसरे बच्चों के साथ इन्वॉल्व करते हैं। जैसे मैंने कल एक टीचर को बोला था कि आप उन बच्चों को शेयर करना सिखाओ। तो अगर आप बच्चों को शेयर करना सिखाते हैं दूसरे बच्चों के साथ, चाहे वो उनका स्नैक हो, चाहे वो उनकी टॉय हो, कुछ भी हो, तो उससे आप उनका क्या करते हो, सोशल डेवलपमेंट। ओके, आपने देखा होगा बहुत से बच्चे ऐसे होते हैं, नॉट बच्चे, एडल्ट्स भी ऐसे होते हैं जिनको किसी चीज से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता। उनके साथ कोई हो, उनके साथ कोई ना हो, दे कैन स्टे अलोन इन अ रूम बट दे आर हैप्पी। क्यों? क्योंकि उनका सोशल इमोशनल डेवलपमेंट नहीं होता। फाउंडेशनल स्टेज पे और प्रिपरेटरी स्टेज पे उनका ये सोशल इमोशनल डेवलपमेंट नहीं होता। So this is very, very, very important to develop in every child. Okay? Any one of you have any doubt till now? Everything clear?
Ritika. Yes, clear.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. I can't see many of the
Thank you, ma'am.
teachers of mine. Teachers, please be active and then only it will be the attractive session. Otherwise, as ये one session, one-on-one session चलेगा, ऐसा लगेगा कि सिर्फ मैं ही बोल रही हूँ, आप लोग इन्वॉल्व ही नहीं हो रहे। I don't want that. I want you also participate with me. Okay?
Okay.
Let's proceed further. Multilingual education. Can anyone tell me what is this? क्या आप में से कोई बता सकता है what is multilingual education?
Any languages, ma'am?
Sorry?
Languages. I mean, 2 or 3 languages. Hindi,
Yes.
English.
For example, if I am giving you training, I am also giving you in multilingual language training. Like we are using Hindi and English, both the languages. Right? Right now. Same multilingual education, कहीं पर आपने देखा होगा तेलुगु चलेगी, कहीं पे कन्नड़ चलती है, कहीं पे हिंदी चलती है, कहीं पे मराठी चलती है, right? So give them education in their own home language, right? Promote learning in the home language. For example, mother tongue जो है हमारे यहाँ की क्या है, इंडिया की, दिल्ली में हम लोग रह रहे हैं, दिल्ली में क्या मदर टंग चलती है, हिंदी, right? And yes, we are also familiar with the English. So here we are using multilingual language. Same, it happens with सर आपके हैदराबाद में कौन सी लैंग्वेज चलती है एक्स्ट्रा?
तेलुगु
सॉरी,
तेलुगु
तेलुगु लैंग्वेज। एनीवन एल्स जिनके यहाँ पे हिंदी और इंग्लिश के अलावा होम लैंग्वेज कुछ और है?
भोजपुरी है यहाँ पर तो लखनऊ में।
भोजपुरी,
जी।
ग्रेट। एनी अदर? मैम आप स्कूल में भी कराते हो भोजपुरी?
नो 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 मैम, मुझे खुद को ही नहीं
No.
आती भोजपुरी।
ओके, एनी अदर? सर आपके स्कूल में चलती है तेलुगु लैंग्वेज? सॉरी मैम?
In Jammu, we speak Dogri.
Dogri. It's your home language, but I don't think so. This language we provide the school.
No, no, this is not in school.
It's not in the school. Okay. I'm very much familiar with the Dogri family, Dogri language. I can understand, but I can't speak.
Okay.
It's very much similar to Punjabi, I guess, if
Yes,
I'm not
yes.
wrong.
Like in Punjabi.
See, I belongs to a Punjabi family, so I can, understand Dogri language, but I can't speak.
Okay.
Any other language जो अलग से आप लोग स्कूल में भी कराते हो? नहीं, नहीं है ना, हिंदी इंग्लिश? ओके फाइन, नॉट एन इश्यू. तो मल्टीलिंगुअल लैंग्वेजेस को हम लोग प्रमोट करते हैं. कैसे? जो भी बच्चे की जो होम लैंग्वेज है वो हमें बच्चे को इंट्रोड्यूस करानी होती है. जैसे हम लोग हिंदी बोलते हैं तो हम बच्चों को हिंदी कराते भी हैं, राइट? इंग्लिश बोलते हैं तो इंग्लिश कराते भी हैं, so that they can speak easily. Okay. Next, vocational and life skill education. Can anyone tell me about this life skill education? What do you think about it? What is this life skill education? Exposure to vocational skills and life skill from middle school onwards. जो भी लाइफ स्किल एजुकेशंस होती हैं, जैसे कि हमारे यहाँ पे क्या सिखाया जाता है, होम साइंस. आपने देखा होगा बच्चों को होम साइंस कराई जाती है. क्या उसका कुछ यूज होता है? नहीं है ना. दैट इज टू ओनली लाइफ स्किल एजुकेशन. ओके. competency based assessment focus on continuous and comprehensive assessment for learning, not just exam. बहुत से असेसमेंट लेना बीच बीच में कि बच्चे ने कितना लर्न किया है. उससे क्या होगा, जो भी आपने कराया उसके बाद आपका असेसमेंट लिया आपने, आपको भी पता रहेगा कि बच्चे ने क्या सीखा है. जो आपने बच्चे को कराया वो बच्चे को समझ में आया कि नहीं. वी आर ऑल्सो गोइंग टू फोकस ऑन दिस. जो मैं करा रही हूँ हम भी इसका असेसमेंट लेंगे ताकि मुझे भी पता रहे कि आप लोगों को ये समझ में आया कि नहीं आया जो मैंने आपको कराया. तो सेम यू हैव टू फॉलो दिस पैटर्न विद योर स्टूडेंट्स. जो आप करा रहे हो उसका एक रेपिटेडली असाइनमेंट आप ले सकते हो. जरूरी नहीं है कि आपको उसके लिए पूरा क्वेश्चन पेपर प्रिपेयर करना है. इट मे बी ओरल, यू कैन टेक ओरली. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपने कोई राइम कर रहे और वो राइम आप फुल वीक करा रहे हो. एट द एंड ऑफ द वीक आप बच्चों से पूछ सकते हो, ठीक है. एंड अगर आप कोई स्टोरी करा रहे हो तो स्टोरी में बच्चों का इन्वॉल्वमेंट रखिए. एंड एंड ऑफ द स्टोरी आप उनसे मॉरल पूछ सकते हो. अभी आपने इससे क्या सीखा, इस स्टोरी से आपने क्या सीखा. दैट विल बी योर क्विक असाइनमेंट. जिससे आपको असाइनमेंट सिर्फ ये नहीं होता कि आप क्वेश्चन पेपर दे रहे हो या आप उनको कोई टास्क दे सकते हो किसी भी चीज से रिलेटेड, जिससे आपको बच्चे की ग्रोथ इमीडिएटली पता चल जाती है, ठीक है. टेक्नोलॉजी एंड इंटीग्रेटेड लर्निंग. इफ वी टॉक अबाउट द टेक्नोलॉजी, यूज ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी टू एनहांस टीचिंग, लर्निंग एंड एक्सेस टू रिसोर्सेस. जैसे हम लोग बच्चों को अभी सबसे ज्यादा जो इन है, जो भी अभी सबसे ज्यादा चल रहा है, दैट इज टू AI. How many of you are present here who are familiar with the AI? Who are familiar with the ChatGPT?
Yes, ma'am. We use sometimes in school, at home also for personal uses.
Yes, it's very much easy. It's very friendly and accessible, right? It's easy. You can, if you want anything, you can just type and you will get the explanation within a seconds. You will get the content within a seconds. So इसी तरह जैसे आज हम लोग भी टेक्नोलॉजीज का यूज कर रहे हैं, हम लोग बच्चों को भी उससे फेमिलियर करें. Flexible subject choices. For example, greater flexibility is choosing subjects across arts, science, commerce, and vocational streams. अगर हम लोग बात करें जैसे 11th में आके बच्चों के पास चॉइस हो जाती है, दे हैव अ चॉइस. उनको कॉमर्स लेनी है, आर्ट्स लेनी है, जो भी उनका आगे, जैसे जो भी उनका आगे प्रोफेशन वो चूज करते हैं, उसके अकॉर्डिंग दे आर free to choose their subjects. Now, what are the any doubt till now? I just request every teacher just to go through with it once. Just once go through with it, teachers. Any doubt, teachers? All clear? Shall we proceed further?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So, National Education Policy 2020 key reforms. Universal access and equity. Universal access and equity, holistic development of learners, curriculum and pedagogy reforms. If we talk about the curriculum part, if we talk about the holistic development and universal access and equity, everything comes in our national education policy. Like in curriculum, we should or we have to include our like less syllabus, more of activities, and more of learning. Okay, like less writing part, more learning by doing activities, more प्ले एक्टिविटीज, जिससे क्या होता है बच्चों की डेवलपमेंट अच्छी होती है. ठीक है, दैट अब इससे पहले क्या होता था, जब हमारा भी टाइम था, हम लोग क्या करते थे, हमें लिखने का काम ज्यादा दिया जाता था. अब यू आर ऑल्सो फेमिलियर विद इट, राइटिंग पार्ट बच्चों को बहुत कराया जाता था, ओवर बर्डन हो जाते थे बच्चे. बट नाउ डेज एक्टिविटी बेस्ड है, जिसमें बच्चों की लर्निंग भी बहुत अच्छी हो रही है. हायर एजुकेशन एक्चुअल में ये हमारे उसका नहीं है, बट फिर भी लेट डिस्कस वंस. मल्टीडिसिप्लिनरी अप्रोच, institutional restructuring, setting up of NRF. Next, we have a digital platform, online courses. Like today also we are doing, this is our online courses, right? इसी तरह बहुत से प्रोफेशनल कोर्सेज हैं बाय द गवर्नमेंट जो चलाए जाते हैं ऑनलाइन कोर्सेज एंड इट हेल्प मेनी ऑफ द इंडिविजुअल टू बी प्रोफेशनल. ठीक है, अब जैसे कि बहुत सी टीचर्स हैं जिन्होंने कोर्सेज नहीं किए होते, एनईपी कोर्स या ईसीई कोर्स या जैसे जो भी कोर्सेज उनको बीएड, तो बहुत से कोर्सेज गवर्नमेंट ने ऐसे इंट्रोड्यूस करे हैं जिससे कि टीचर वो ऑनलाइन कोर्स करके and they will get the degree, they will get the certificate, and they will become a certified teacher. Okay. Then teachers, recruitment, training, and promotion. Yes, a good equipment happened. Then a particular training given to all the teachers by the professional trainers to develop their skills, their learning, everything, and the promotions. Service and professional development. टीचर्स को मेनली क्या होता है, एक प्रोफेशनल डेवलपमेंट के लिए ट्रेनिंग प्रोवाइड होती है. ठीक है, एनीवन वांट्स टू गो थ्रू विद इट, यू कैन. NEP's new approaches. If we talk about the universal access and equity, schooling for every child. Schooling is very important for every child. बहुत से मैंने भी ये एक्सपीरियंस किया है, जो बहुत से छोटे छोटे विलेजेस होते हैं, वहां पे बहुत से पेरेंट्स सीधा ये बोलते हैं इतने छोटे बच्चे को स्कूल भेजना है, ये बच्चा स्कूल में जाके क्या करेगा, इसको स्कूल क्यों भेजना है. मतलब दिस इज माई पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस आई एम शेयरिंग. मतलब हम लोग लिटरली वहां जाते थे, वी एजुकेट पेरेंट्स कि वाई प्ले स्कूल इज इम्पोर्टेंट. उनको लगता है कि ये छोटा सा बच्चा, इस छोटे से बच्चे पे हम लोग बर्डन डाल रहे हैं अगर स्कूल भेज रहे हैं तो, विच इज नॉट करेक्ट, राइट. So schooling for every child is very important. Next is NEP aim to ensure 100% gross enrollment ratio from preschool to secondary level. No child should be out of school due to poverty, distance, or social reason. पहले भी ऐसा पहले हुआ करता था, अगर कोई पेरेंट फीस नहीं दे पा रहे तो बच्चों को स्कूल से निकाल दिया जाता था. बट अकॉर्डिंग टू NEP न्यू अप्रोचेस, nobody is allowed it to do this with the children because it's children's right to be in the school, to get the education, to get educated. Next is inclusive and barrier-free education. Special support for girls, students with disability, rural and tribal areas, migrants. School must provide ramps, like if we talk about transports, hostels, etc. We have this special, not we, now in this approach, it's included, like all the barriers are free. Ones who are not able to come to the school due to disability, physically not fit, they can also go to the school now. Because in schools, ramps are provided. Girls has to be taken care of by everyone. And transport facilities provided by the school now. Okay. Now, let's equitable quality. Not just access to a school, but access to a good school. Teaching, learning quality, language and resources must be equitable. Like everything, if we talk about the language, if we talk about the resources, everything will be same for every child. Okay. So teachers, till now we have covered almost all about the NAP. Next is National Curriculum Framework. So we have almost, I guess, 5 minutes. Any doubt, teachers? You can unmute yourself and ask your question if you have. Yes. Yes. Day before yesterday, मुझसे किसी टीचर ने क्वेश्चन किया था, मैम एक बच्चा दूसरे बच्चों को बहुत ज्यादा मारता है मैम, उसका जो मैंने सॉल्यूशन दिया, क्या वो वर्थ इट था? उस बच्चे में आपको कोई चेंज दिखा? क्या नाम था मैम आपका? आई कांट रिमेम्बर द नेम. मैम, आज आप प्रेजेंट हैं? सत्या मैम आप थे? आपने क्वेश्चन किया था कल मुझसे?
No, ma'am. I didn't, ma'am.
नो, किसने किया था? Who asked me question about the student yesterday? I guess that teacher is not present today. Okay, not an issue. Any of you want to ask anything about today's class? आप लोगों को कुछ समझ में ना आया हो? I'm just scrolling for you all once. If you have any of your question, you can ask. If you have any of the inquiry, you can ask. Ma'am, will you share this PPT on WhatsApp? Ma'am, that I have to ask the management of Fosters. I guess Pratima ma'am or Shweta ma'am will guide you about it. I guess you will get the recording. Pratibha ma'am, Shweta ma'am, can you please guide the teacher? She's asking something.
Yes, please, ma'am. Please come again. How can I help you?
Ma'am, she's asking, ma'am, what's your name you are writing here?
We would
Sakshi.
be sharing the complete recordings. Daily basis recordings would be shared. Just give us a day or two. As day before yesterday, it was just the introductory class, and today we guess is the first class. So we are just going to share the recordings soon, and you would be getting the daily recorded session as per trainings.
Okay, fine. Thank you. Thank you so much, Shweta ma'am. Sakshi
Most
ma'am, you will
welcome.
get the training recording on the daily basis. But yes, PPTs are not there for you. You will get the recording session and you will learn whatever you have missed yesterday, what you have missed today, or if you want to know more things, if you want to learn, if you want to, revise things, you can see and go through with the recording part. Okay? Any other question, teachers? Pleasure, ma'am.
Can you please share us your name and the state so that we can give you a call back also? The concerned teacher.
Ma'am, this side Sakshi from Jammu.
Okay, we would be calling you for the same.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Fine. Teachers, any other concern, any other doubt? Everything good? Everything clear? Okay, fine. Many of the teachers are not available on the videos, so I am unable to see my all the beautiful teachers. So see, teachers, if we are going to conduct this training on the daily basis, no, what I only want you to switch on your, you turn on your cameras, then only we can connect. Otherwise, आप सिर्फ मुझे ही जानोगे, मैं आपको नहीं जान पाऊंगी पूरे सेशन में। जो हमारा ये पूरा सेशन है एनईपी का, उसमें सिर्फ आप मुझे जान पाओगे क्योंकि मेरा कैमरा ऑन है। आप लोगों के कैमरास बंद रहेंगे, मैं आपको जान नहीं पाऊंगी। और आई वुड लव टू नो यू ऑल। तो आप लोग अपने कैमरास जरूर रखा करिए ऑन, जिससे कि हमारा ये सेशन अट्रैक्टिव हो और मैं आपको जान पाऊं और आप भी मुझे जान पाओ। ठीक है? कोई और डाउट आप पूछना चाहते हो, कुछ कहना चाहते हैं? यू कैन अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ। नो, एवरीथिंग क्लियर? Okay, fine. So, Shweta ma'am, shall we proceed further to end the class?
Yeah, sure. Thank you so much, teachers and respected Ritika ma'am, for giving your
you.
guidance and precious timings. So tomorrow, now next class would be done on Monday.
Monday.
We would be sharing you the details and we'll share you the complete timetable also very soon regarding your trainings. But the classes, as we already told, it would be 3 days a week. So that would be Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. 4
Fine.
o'clock onwards.
Fine. So thank you so much, Shweta ma'am. Thank you so much, Pratibha ma'am. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining, and hope to see you on Monday. So I want my every lovely teacher, please give me a smile before going. So I will surely going to meet you on Monday. Bye bye, everyone. Have a nice day. Have a nice weekend ahead. Bye bye.
Thank you
Bye,
so
ma'am.
much,
Thank you.
ma'am,
Thank
for a
you,
lovely
everyone. Have
session.
a great day.
You
Bye.
can. Yes, first, I just want to just tell you all, please share your feedbacks if you want to share it on your group, if you want to share it here. I just request everyone, please share your feedbacks regarding this training session. If you want me to, give you more, like if you want to guide me something, if you want something to be better or everything good, just share your feedback once before leaving, teachers.
Okay,
I
ma'am.
would love to read your feedbacks before going. It motivates me a lot.
If you want, you can share it on the same group, NEP groups. You can WhatsApp us or you can share it to us as you all feel comfortable.
Yeah, all up to you, teachers. You can share your feedbacks in the group. You can share your feedbacks in this chat box also right now if you want to.
I think they'll share us later because at present
Yes.
nobody is writing. So we would be really waiting in the group, the NEP
Thank
group. You
you.
can
No,
share
ma'am, they
it
are
there.
writing here in the chat box,
Okay,
I
okay.
guess.
We have received your first review.
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
I'm learning a lot by this training. Thank you so much, Deepika ma'am. Thank you so much, Satya ma'am. Thank you so much, Aruna ma'am. Okay, fine. So thank you so much for joining, everyone. Bye-bye. Have a nice day. Have a nice weekend. Thank you so much, Shweta ma'am. Bye-bye. Have a nice weekend. Bye-bye.
Most welcome. Thank you, everyone. Bye bye. Have a great day. We are just closing the meeting. Thanks a lot, everyone. Have a great day. Bye bye.